Yo, bruh. Feeling like Beyonce in this wig, yo. Hey guys, what's poppin'? It's me, SEANA, back up in this joint with another video. Today I will be unboxing a synthetic lace front wig from ReadyWig. So this is the box that it comes in, and this is the first thing you see when you open it. A card with hair care instructions and their info on the back. Their website is ReadyWig.com. And you get a wig cap and a spray bottle. And this is the wig that I got. It's dark blonde wavy, 24 inches. It's like ombre with black on the top. And it is synthetic. So we're gonna try it out and see if I can slay this synthetic wig. Alright, so I just did my hair in these two braids to start. They're just kind of two messy braids, nothing special. Alright, so this is how it comes. Tissue inside. It just has this net over it. It's dark blonde, wavy, 24 inches. The hair feels really soft. It's not tangled. And this is the lace. It has the lace in the front. This is how the hairline looks. And inside, it has a comb and some adjustable straps. Looks like there's two caps in the same pack. I never had a wig cap before. I'm probably not going to do all that special stuff with the glue though. First, I'm just going to show you what it looks like straight out the package though, before doing anything to it. Oh, it actually has three combs. Yeah, it actually has three combs. Oh, and then this is the space, the parting space. Oh, yeah, I didn't show you the part either. This is what the part looks like. It's about like that. It's not really that far. Probably see if I can pluck it a little bit. But first, I'm just going to show you how it looks right out the package. Okay, so this is how it looks on. I didn't do anything to it yet. I just put it on. Right now, I'm just going to pluck around some of the part area and around like the top of the head. So I'm just going to do that for now because... Okay, so this is what the part looks like. I tried to get it to look a little bit more natural. I'm just gonna try to layer it and do it like, put the top up so I can do the bottom first. Just thinning it out a bit. Just doing some like small cuts like that. Alright, so I think that's about it. So this is how it looks. So yeah, you can use the Got2b glue if you want. I just use some gel right now just to lay down edges a little bit, but you know, you can finesse the hairline some more and all that, and you know, this will do for now. So yeah, I think this wig is somewhere around $30 to $40 on the site. I have a coupon code, so check the description. It's SEANA SPARKLE. But yeah, check the description, check out all the info. All the info about this wig will be in the description, and all the links to their site, to ReadyWig for their site. So let me know if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and make sure you subscribe. We're almost to 10K, and I'll see you in another video. Bye. Peace.